What's going on, you guys? Welcome again to Boost and Redline with your boy Miguel here. Today I have another video for you. This one's a follow-up to a video we already did on the tailgate lock. This one's going to be adding a locking mechanism to it, so it's going to be very exciting here. We're going to get that started in just a second. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and like this video, and let's go ahead and get started. Previously on the channel, we had gotten rid of this ugly chrome handle that was on the truck before. We're doing a chrome dial all around on the truck and put on this nice clean factory looking black on there. The only piece that is missing on there is an actual lock, so that way I can add a little bit of extra security to the tailgate there for you know, obvious purposes. So let's go ahead and dive into what we'll need, the tools we'll need to go ahead and get the project done. So the tools we'll need are going to be very simple. We're going to use a 3/8 wrench, a nice extension is going to come handy, and a 13mm socket. Today we're going to be installing the pop lock. This is tailgate security. The brand is Pop Lock. Link for this mechanism here will be in the description. If it's Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra 1999 to 2007, we are 2002, so we should be Gucci on that end. So let's go ahead and open the box, see what we got. All right, so we've got the keys, we've got the instructions. Okay, put those aside for a second, and here we have the mechanism right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into the action here, shall we? So the idea here is that this mechanism is what's going to be preventing the tailgate from opening. We're gonna hopefully see that more up close. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put pressure on the top. We're gonna be removing this outside shell right here. Outside shell right here.
Guys, it is absolutely not necessary to remove this outside shell here at all. You'll see exactly why at the end of the video. I did end up making a mistake or two here as I was putting this on, because I thought to myself that instructions were not necessary to be read. So make sure you watch all the way till the end so you see what mistakes to avoid. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to follow the instructions in this video all the way to the end, with the only exception you're not removing the tailgate surrounding piece at all. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and remove the one bolt out of the three in the tailgate. As you see here, the one closest to the cabin, go ahead and loosen that bolt up.
So this is the idea. So that one hole there is what we're gonna go ahead and align with this guy, and see if I can get a better view here for you. We are gonna have to end up lifting the gate here just a tad, and there it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you there. So you can see now it's lined up. All right, so what we have left to do is to go ahead and screw it up from the other side, and we should be good to go. So we're gonna use the washer and the screw provided in the kit, and these are the ones that we're gonna use to go ahead and tighten up that third hole on the tailgate support, and screw it from the inside out, and that way this thing will be in place. So I got the screw there pretty tight, and then in the inside here you can see, if I can lift the gate, you can see the screw right there in the center as well. So one more part here, Go ahead and make it look as flush as possible. We don't need this. All right, get rid of that logo there. So it's coming along pretty good. Make sure you've got the instructions handy, all right, in case for some reason you need to reference them like I did.
Long story short, I ended up realizing at the end that after tying everything up and putting it all together, I was not able to put the Bezel back in, so I had to take it all out, put the Bezel in place, and then go ahead and tighten everything up. So make sure you avoid this mistake and leave the Bezel piece in place and just follow the instructions from there.
And now for the final reveal here. All right, so this is unlocked. Okay, it works just like normal. Okay, there it is, nice and smooth. So if I go ahead and lock it up, all right, this will prevent it from going up all the way. Okay, so let's go ahead and unlock it really quick. All right, here we go. Bam. And that's how you install a pop locket lock on the back of a 2002 GMC Sierra, GMC Silverado, any GM vehicle with this style gate in the back. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Okay, let me know in the comments below if you were able to get it done on your truck or vehicle, if you have a similar GM year and model, and make sure to subscribe so you can stay up with the progress on the Duramax here and the build progress. Okay, so take care. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.